how to browse brands on Capital One Shopping to find deals faster. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to browse through the brands and find deals on Capital One Shopping. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then head over to capitaloneshopping.com and you can see brands option right at the top left. Now, once you're there, you can tap on the drop down and you can see various categories. So, these categories make browsing deals really easier and faster. So, you can just tap on the category of your choice and then you can browse through all of the coupons and deals. So, it's as simple as that. You can go to other categories and do the same. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.